Every morning at 9 a.m., this AI agent wakes up automatically and starts scanning Twitter for the most engaging post inside my niche. It sends everything to my dashboard, and by the time I wake up and open my laptop, 5 new YouTube video ideas are sitting inside my dashboard based on what people are actually talking about right now and not what I think they want to watch. I built it myself with zero coding experience, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can build it for yourself. So let's go. Welcome to my first video, guys, of the Build with June channel. I built AI apps from zero, live on camera, no coding background, no shortcuts. And in today's video, we are going to build the AI agent and the dashboard. Let me show you first what we are going to build and what it can do. That is amazing, right? How AI agents can really improve your business. And this is something that you can use for your own socials, but also at the same time, you can also potentially sell this AI agent to other content creators. So how to build this yourself? You need 3 things before we start. 1, a Twitter developer account. Go to developer.twitter.com, sign up for the free tier and get your API key. Don't worry, I will do it also live on screen. The second thing we need is a cloud API key. And the third thing we need is the cloud code. And this is what writes the code for you, so you don't need any coding experience. You just describe what you want in plain English and Cloud Code builds it for you. And I have to tell you a little secret, I also have the prompt ready for you. I will put it inside the description of this video, and I will also put all the links you need also in the description. So let's start. Let me do it step by step, and let's create the AI agent, but also the dashboard for scanning Twitter, and then based on that, getting relevant video ideas. The first 3 things that we need to do is setting up the Twitter API account. So go for this to console.x.com. Link is inside the description. Now it asks you several questions. I will also write down what you can fill in, but it's quite simple. Just fill in your account name. This can be anything. It can be your own Twitter account or something else. Describe all your use cases of X data and API. This answer is also provided inside the description, and then just click the boxes, click on submit, and your account is created. Later on, we will set up more inside this platform. The second thing that we need to set up is the API keys for Cloud Code. Go to platform.cloud.com. Also, the link is inside the description. And there we want to set up later on our API keys. The third thing, and this will be our brain, is Cloud Code itself. It will give us prompts. It gives us step by step how we can create our AI agent. So I want to build a local web dashboard called Agent Dashboard. This personal productivity tool can scan Twitter every morning and use Cloud AI to generate YouTube video ideas based on what is trending inside my niche. Here's the complete plan. What we are building is the left column, trending tweets from the last 24 hours. The middle column is the YouTube video ideas. And the right column is saved ideas, because we don't need everything. Every morning on 9 a.m. it searched for AI agents as trending. 9:15 it searched for vibe coding, and 9:30 it scans for Cloud Code. And the reason for 10 tweets is the free tier gives you the option to scan 3 times a day, 10 tweets each. And it can just search for the most engaged tweets of the last 24 hours. If you want to upgrade this, it is possible, but you just need to upgrade your Twitter API tier. After that, it sends all 30 tweets to our Cloud API. After that, Cloud generates 5 video ideas and everything appears inside our dashboard. So first, we're gonna build our dashboard. After that, we're gonna build our agents and the logic behind it. What kind of tag are we gonna use? We're gonna use Python, we're gonna use Flask, Twitter API, Cloud, schedule library, and HTML, CSS. And don't worry, I don't have also any developer knowledge. We're gonna do it step by step, beginner friendly. The first phase is setting up our environment. We need to install Python on our computer. We need to install all the libraries. We need to create a project folder and file infrastructure and create an env file for the API keys. So let's start. Let's start with phase 1. I already did this, but you can do it for yourself on your computer. So we need to install Python, open up the terminal app on your computer, and then write the following code: Python 3 space line version. If you have it already, it needs to be higher than this. And if you don't have it, go to the Python website, download it, and set it on your computer. And if you're on Windows, you need this one too. And if you have Windows, you need the following command, and that is this one. And if you don't have it, it's the same one for this one. Once you have downloaded Python, all the comments you see on my screen, this one are quite short, but probably they will be longer afterwards. I put them all together inside the document, so you can copy paste it as easy as possible. So now I confirm step 1 is done, and now it will give me the second step. What I did was I set up and asked to Cloud Code, hey, I only want you to continue when I write next step. The reason for that is sometimes I have questions. Sometimes I am not able to do something that I want, or there are some bugs and I want to ask questions about it, and then it forgets where I am inside the steps. And based on this, I make sure it goes step by step to the final destination. The second step is we need to open up our terminal and we need to install several packages. Flask I didn't have yet, and tweep also not, but what I do is I go to here, copy, go to my terminal, install. Then we go to the next one, we copy it, we go to here, pip install Anthropic, and so on, so on. Go one by one, copy paste it inside your terminal and install everything. And if you're on Windows, you have different kind of commands. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And what each one of they are doing is Flask runs a mini web server on your computer so you can see the dashboard inside your browser. Tweepy connects to the API of Twitter, and Anthropic Cloud Code API, and Schedule runs the system completely automated at 9 a.m. every morning, and Python keeps your API keys safe inside a several file so nobody can get access to it. Now we write to our AI next step, and now it will send us to step 3. Create the project folder and file structure. We're going to create a folder and all empty files in our project. We're going to create a folder and all the empty files our project needs. This is like building the skeleton before we add the flash. So what we're going to do is on your computer, create the main project folder. Going the same, we go to our terminal. Then it gives you this. We do cd. Now it brings us to this folder. On Windows, it's the second one. Then we're going to do one by one. I will speed up the time a little bit. And as you see, it asks us copy and paste the whole block in once and press enter. I didn't do it. I make a mistake. I first did the first one because I didn't read it. Now it gives us an error. What to do? What to do if you receive an error? So I just copy paste this. And what I do is I do this. I received error. This is my terminal logs. Copy paste. No problem at all. The error just means the template folder already exists from a previous attempt. Run this. So I'm doing that exactly what he is saying to me. Do it again. I copy paste it again to our chat. Perfect. Every file is exactly where it needs to be. Our skeleton is ready. So it means that it was already on my computer. I received an error. And if you receive any error on your system, just show the AI what you see and he will help you out step by step. I just write down next step. We're going to the next step. Step 4 is creating our env files. This is for the API keys to secure them safely. Doing the first step, opens a new terminal for me. Blank terminal will open, and this is this one. So now we need to add our Twitter token here and our Anthropic API key here. So go to Twitter, fill in your API key. Same for Cloud Code. Fill in the API key here. And after that, click on CMD as, and with that you save the files. Important, we are not filling in the keys yet. We are just creating a file with the placeholder text for now. The real keys will be added later on. To confirm if everything is ready for us, we go back to our terminal. We write down the cat.env is this one, and it shows us what we filled in, and that's it. We are ready for step 5. We write down next step. Now we're coming to the nice part. We're gonna build our dashboard. This is the engine of the dashboard. It runs locally on your own computer, so you don't need to set up any website. It is just the dashboard on your computer. And open the app in text edit. So go to your terminal again, copy, paste, and now we have this one. It's a blank text edit window. We'll open and copy the following code in it. We scroll down. You will see an error page for now because we haven't built the HTML code yet. That is completely fine and expected. So the first thing is Flash is running without crashing. What we do is we go here, we save it, and then next step. In step 6, we're gonna build the HTML dashboard in Index. And for this, we go to our terminal, we click on Control C. First thing we're gonna do is we close down our terminal. We have a fresh one right now. And in your terminal, we do open text editor. We click on enter, we get an error. So what we do is we copy paste it, we do this, and now it gives us a solution. We are not in the right folder. What we need to do is we copy this one, now this, and now it works. We get folder. It works. What should we add to this edit? So now it explains us what to do. Click on copy, we go to here, click on save, close it down. We clicked on save, we closed it down, we go back to our terminal, we do this, and now we get the error. But don't worry, we just do this, write down what the error is on our screen. It looks like the code block marked triple backtrips got copied. And to be honest, I'm not a developer. I also don't know what it's saying here, but it just explained me exactly what to do. I just replaced the new code into our text editor. Done. Now it says go to HTTP localhost 5000. I just did it, but it gives an error. Don't worry, we are on, but nothing shows there. Looks like the website is not live. So it means if you get this error that it is not activated, we need to first make sure that it's active. And for that, we go to our terminal, do this, and then this one. We received another error. I don't know why, but I just do what it asked me. And then again, I do this. Now we get something different. It says that it is running. So we now have our dashboard. Refresh it. After some bug fixing, we received our agent dashboard. So on the left side, we are seeing trending tweets of the last 24 hours are these tweets. The ones that he found. In the middle, we see video ideas from Cloud AI. It shows us the titles, but also the hook for the beginning of the video. As an example, how AI agents replace junior developers in 2025. And the hook from this video is, what if you never had to hire a developer again? And if you like this one and you think, hey, this is a cool video idea, you can just save to calendar, and on the right side you see that it is saved, and if you used it you can just click on remove and it will be removed from your dashboard. But this is just the beginning. We can add several things because right now we want to know, like, why did AI choose this video idea? What we want to do is we want to edit it a little bit and make it more personal for yourself. First, we're gonna make a screenshot of what we're currently seeing right now. Why I'm doing that is I want to provide our AI with the most accurate information. And a cool feature will be display the original tweet, the numbers of engagement also, and a hyperlink to the original tweet. So what we do is, this is our dashboard right now. We want a new feature and describe what you want to change. And now it explains you exactly step by step what you need to do. We need to update this folder. What we're gonna do is we click on save. And it gave us 2 steps to make these changes. So run in our terminal the following code. We first need to stop it. So we do Ctrl C. It stops what it is doing right now. Paste, click on enter. After that, we're gonna now update the index. We're doing the same, copy, paste, click on enter, and then restart it with this command, go back to our dashboard. And now it just changed our complete UI. So it displays on the left side the tweets. You can see 4,200 likes. This is the amount of retweets, the comments, and this is the amount of views. And if we want to see it, we just click on view on X and it guides us to the official tweet. And based on this trending tweets, our AI scans it and gives us video suggestions for our YouTube channel. And what we can see, it is inspired by this tweet, and we can see the engagement here also. So this is a huge improvement for our dashboard. And every morning at 9 o'clock, it starts scanning Twitter and gives me video ideas about what is trending and what are people engaging with. So now our dashboard is looking amazing, but of course, we can still tweak something. Do it for yourself. I don't want to make this video that long that we go that deep into changing all the colors and making it more nicer. But overall, you get what I mean. You can change it everything through Cloud Code, and step by step, it will explain you. Imagine you want to make the color blue. Ask him, I want to change the color to blue, or make a screenshot and ask him, hey, this is our dashboard right now, and I want to make it better with the goal of making more video ideas or better video ideas. What should I do? Ask it, he will give you the answer step by step. But for now, I want to continue the video and go over setting up the API keys, because for some of you who are new into AI coding, AI agents and stuff like that, this can be a harder part. So we go to step 9, set up our Twitter developer account and get your API keys. Go to Twitter developer portal, open the browser and go to this website. We did it. We have the account ready. Apply for developer. We did it also. Accept terms. We did it. Now we need to get our bearer token. What we need to do is click on projects and apps in the left side bar. We click on apps. We click on create app. What we need to do is application name. We call it AI agent, video ideas. Environment, development, create new application. Now you see 3 keys. Bearer token. We need to copy it. Write them down somewhere because you cannot see them again. It's important. Save them somewhere that you can use it later on, because they are not visible again if you close it down. Now it says to us, open the text editor. We go to our terminal. We go to a fresh terminal. We do open text editor. It says not found. So what we need to do is error. Okay, Cloud told us what we need to do. We are now back into our API key folder. And what I need to do is I need to fill in my Twitter beer token here and the Anthropic key here. After that, I save, and then this step is done. I will not show you the keys, so I will put the video on pause, fill it in, and save it by myself. After filling in our API keys, we do next step. Now we're getting to step 10. Build the Twitter search script. This file is the Twitter agent. It connects to Twitter, search for trending tweets in your niche. So what we need to do is we open up our terminal again. We copy this one. We copy the text, paste it, click on enter. And now we need to test out if it is working. Dashboard. Now it opens the correct folder. We do this one, enter, and we copy paste to make sure it is doing something correctly. Now we copy paste what is inside our terminal, and it says something. This is a common issue. Twitter changed the free tier in 2022. Now charge for search access. The free plan is no longer including Twitter. We received an error for the Twitter agent. It's because the API, I didn't know that before recording this video, because I do everything on the go. I had an idea, I want to make it together with you, and I see that the free tier for Twitter is no longer available. What we can do is use Rapid API, but for doing this video, we go for option 3. And what it does is it goes to Reddit, Google Trends, and YouTube Trending. And we just follow the steps to import option 3. We just go for option 3, and we just follow the steps to import this inside our project. So this is our dashboard right now. On the left side, we're still seeing trending tweets of the last 24 hours. But as you noticed from the previous explanation, we no longer do X because it's not a free tier. But if you want, you can do for $100 a month the first tier. So what we did instead was check out Reddit, YouTube, and trending searches on Google, and it gives us on the left side those suggestions. And every morning it checks for 30 posts, convert them into video ideas. But for this, we need to set up our Cloud API, because in this step, we will do that. Just follow the steps as explained in step 12, what you can see. So in this step 12, we're going to do the Cloud Code API key. I already did it myself. So just fill in your own personal API key of the Anthropic. After that, we go to the next step. And step 13 is build the idea agent in Idea Agent. This is the brain of your whole system. It takes 30 Reddit posts, scans them, and sends them to Cloud AI, which generates 5 real video ideas based on what is actually trending. What we do is we copy paste this code, and it's important always to stop first your Flask. After pasting the code inside our terminal, we can see fetching the post from this Reddit group, this one, and it's fetched in total of 30 posts. And it generates 5 video ideas inside our terminal, but we want them, of course, inside our dashboard. Now in step 14, we're gonna connect the idea agent to our dashboard, doing the same system. We go to our terminal, we stop it, we paste it, and that's it. We go back, and now we check out our dashboard. Again, guys, the dashboard isn't like 100% accurate how I want it, but for the video, we just do the most important steps. And if you're still here, if you're still watching the video and following the tutorial, this is my first video about AI and how you can build your own apps. It will be amazing if you can click on the like and subscribe button and let me know what kind of video do you want to see inside the next one. And let's check out our results. So on the left side, we see trending tweets. It can also be changed to Reddit. Just ask and change it. And then based on that, it generates video ideas. This tweet, faces are generating by AI are now too good to be true. Researchers are warning. This was posted inside the Reddit, and it gives us AI faces are now better than real ones. Here is proof. Or Google deleted his entire life over one AI upload. But now you can see there is an error. What is it? It gives us a title idea based on this post, but this is not really useful for YouTube. So what I do is I take a screenshot and I just go back to our AI and I just mention what is wrong. I see that the AI is making video ideas about the Reddit post, but the Reddit post isn't something that is really useful for my YouTube channel. Check out the screenshot and give feedback. Now I'm saying like, hey, I think we should change the groups, but also the logic, give me the steps. Then we just follow the steps, import it, and based on that, our dashboard will change how we want it for ourselves or for a goal or for our channels. Inside step 15, we're gonna build the scheduler because we want that the AI agent is running every morning at 9 a.m. So what it does is we do the same steps. This code will be imported inside our agent, and based on that, we can schedule the time. I do 9 a.m. It does 3 times every 15 minutes. But if you do Reddit or something else, you can also do it way more often. And in the last step, we're going to test out the full system and check it out for yourself. What do you see in your dashboard? What do you want to see? Change the little things so it can be useful for your own business or for potential clients that want this generator if you want to bring it on the market. Keep in mind, this is not final. This is just an example of what you can do. And I will also explain you step by step how you can tweak it or change everything how you want it for yourself or change some logics. Everything will be explained step by step. But what do you see? So on the left side, we can see trending tweets. And in the middle, we can see video ideas based on what is trending right now on Twitter, Reddit, Google trending, stuff like that. It's based on the source information you want to display. And on the right side is the content calendar. Imagine I like the third one, Cloud Code versus ChatGPT, which AI codes better. And Cloud Code just wrote my entire backend in 20 minutes. Generally shocked. I can see the likes, retweets, comments, and views. And I think, ooh, this is a cool video idea. Save to calendar. Now it is displayed on the right side. I can make a video about it. I just wake up, open up my laptop and see what is trending. If it's done, I recorded the video, I can click on remove. Guys, I'm excited to build this project. I didn't do this before. I didn't make any dashboard for a YouTube agent before. I just want to do it together with you and I'm excited to build it. If you are new to Build with June, it will be appreciated if you can click on the like and subscribe button so I can make more videos to learn other people more about AI. And let's start.